Welcome to a new lesson of the course. In this lesson we are going to use the semi-hosting. Let's create a new project with the wizard. Select the board LPC Espresso 804 and click on Next. Give a name to the project. Click on Finish to generate the project. Go to the file psemihosting.c. In the generated project, you can see that there is a macro print used to send over Semihosting the message Hello World to the debugger. Build and debug the project. You can see in the tab console the messages from and to the MCU over Semihosting. With print, the MCU sends a message to the debugger. Let's make some changes to the program. Let's send a presentation message when the MCU starts. After building and starting debugging, you can see the message in the console tab. Let's delete the original while loop. This is the piece of code you are going to use to communicate with the MCU. The idea is to send an R to turn on the red LED, a G for the green LED, a B for the blue one, and a X to turn off all LEDs. The MCU sends a message asking for us to send RGB or X. This infinite while loop is for the MCU to wait to receive one of the three valid characters, RGB or X. Let's use the macro getChar to receive a character. When it comes, it will be stored to the variable U8char. If the received character is an R, the MCU sends back a message to the PC saying that the red LED is going to be turned on. The same for the LEDs green and blue. Finally, if the MCU receives an X, it will turn off all LEDs. Build and debug the project. You can see how the program works. To send a character, you have to press the return key after the character. Let's add the code needed to handle the LEDs. These are the constants to define on which port and pins the LEDs are connected to. This was already used in the previous lesson where we controlled the 3 onboard LEDs. Add the code to initialize the pins as digital output. To turn on the red LED and turn off the others, you use the function GPIO port clear and GPIO port set. To turn on an LED, you have to use the function GPIO port clear, as we saw, it needs a 0 on the digital output. To turn off an LED, you have to use the function GPIO port set to set a 1 on the digital output. Do the same for the green and blue LEDs. Finally, with the character X, all LEDs are turned off using only the function GPIO port set. Let's see how the program works. When you send an R, the red LED turns on. With a G, the green LED turns on. With a B, the blue LED. And with an X, all LEDs turn off.